This is my first 60% keyboard, the KEMOVE Snowfox DK61 and Gateron Red switches. It's a hot swappable board, which means you can replace the switches with ease. Going from a full size to a 60% layout allows me way more room while gaming. It also offers Bluetooth compatibility. Other benefits include double shot PBT keycaps and many customizable RGB settings like this. You can switch between modes with the click of a button. This is what it sounds like. It's a very fast board, allowing me to sweat in Fortnite. It's usually $90, but you can get 20% off with code KEMOVE99 on Amazon. Link is in the comments.